Beautiful country women, I wan tell una how we fit empower girls and women for dis we continent wey be Africa. Na Runa Cup we dey carry come o. Runa Cup na menstruation health alternative wey dey easy to manage. You fit use am again and again, and e get plenty advantages. E dey save cost up to 95% pass pads and tampons. Runa Cup dey collect up to 3 to 5 times pads and tampons. E no dey leak like others wey be like am. E dey reduce the amount of water to take manage period. E no dey cause katakata for we environment if dey throw am because e dey decompose well well. And dey fit recycle the old material to take make new one. Na silicone wey get standard wey dem dey call FDA medical grade na im dem take make am. And e dey safe even for women wey rubber material dey disturb when dem use am for their period. E dey good for health and e go help you avoid yamayama chemicals and bleach dem wey dey for pads and tampons. Runa Cup dey give we girls and women dem more mind to do the things wey dey hard dem to do before sake of say dem dey fear the leak wey fit embarrass dem. The material wey dem take make Runa Cup dey bend well well, e no dey break for woman body. E get small support for the end wey finger go fit take hold am and e good for health. Dem dey put am for inside vagina wey woman dey get menstruation so that e go fit collect the blood instead of to soak am like pads and tampons. Dem fit use Runa Cup again and again for up to 10 years. So use Runa Cup take carry waka all your daily activities without shaking for up to 6 to 12 hours based on how your menstruation flow take plenty reach. To clean Runa Cup after dem don use am, e dey very easy sake of say na only water e go need. And e dey come with small cloth wey breeze dey fit pass through so that e go fit store well well. Dem dey make Runa Cup for 3 sizes to take care of different girls and women dem. E fit take 1 or 2 period to master Runa Cup, but once you master am, you go happy well well sake of say you decide to use Runa Cup.